Hi, my name is Esther, a physiotherapist and Pilates instructor. Today I will guide you through a few simple neck stretching exercises to ease the tension and stiffness around this area. Please make sure that you listen to your body and practice with gentle, careful movements. So we're going to start in sitting on your mat if you feel comfortable, or find a comfy chair to sit on. So you can practice these exercises even in front of a computer. So let's get started. So just simply relax your whole posture. Simply slouch a little bit and then sit up straight as you inhale. Relax all the way back down a couple of times just to mobilize your spine, opening up your upper part of your chest, gently arching your back and relaxing all the way down. Inhale and exhale, relax down. Now try to keep that upright position. Ease the tension around your lower back, just gently draw the abdominals a little bit back, pushing your lower back slightly backwards, keeping a nice upright position. Ease the tension around your neck and shoulder as well. So your lower back, mid back, upper back, neck and head will be sitting above each other. Just relax your shoulders backwards and downwards. Try to hold this so-called neutral spine, limbo spine position, and then start mobilizing your shoulders, moving your shoulders forward and backwards. A couple of times, just keep your arms relaxed. You can even let it go all the way by your side, or rest your hands in your lap. Opening up, hold. Keep your shoulders slightly backwards, wide collarbones, and then try to raise your shoulders up and down a couple of times towards your ears, and then relax all the way down. Emphasizing the downwards motion, imagine sliding your shoulder blades into your back pocket. Few more. Okay. Nice exhalation, relaxing all the way down, melting your shoulders away from your ears. Brilliant, hold that. And then draw some circles, backwards and downwards. Two together. Few more times. Very nice. And then one at a time. Right, and then the left. Keeping your neck nice and relaxed. Imagine lengthening the back of your neck up towards the ceiling. One more time. Relax both shoulders down and then relax your whole posture again. Just have a little slouching position and then sitting up straight again. Little overarch and then ease that tension around your lower back. Keep that upright position. So imagine your head as a helium balloon floating up towards the ceiling. Keeping your neck nice and long. Shoulders relaxed away from your ears. So now try to do a really funny movement, moving your chin towards your neck, making a double chin, and then relax. So moving your face away from the screen basically a few times. You probably feel stretch at the back of your neck. That's completely normal. Make sure there is no discomfort or pain with these movements. So let's do a few more of that. One more. Moving your chin towards your neck, keeping the nice length of your spine, keeping your chin parallel to the floor. And then the last one. Brilliant. Relax and ease the tension again. Inhale and keep that upright, build up your spine, engage your abdominals, and relax your shoulders. Now move your chin slightly backwards, holding that nice length of your neck, and then gently turn towards the right and towards the left side. Look over your shoulders, one and the other side, as far as you're comfortable with. Make sure you're not force the movement. Keep the length of your spine. Imagine you have a book on the top of your head. Try to balance that there. Make sure you're not losing it. So keep your eyesight about eye level. Turning towards the right, towards the left. Let's turn towards the right again. Hold for a deep inhalation. Probably you feel you can look a little bit further at the back. Same on the left. Hold that length of your spine. And then try to look a little bit further back without pushing. Move back to the middle. Brilliant. Let's relax your back again. Build up length and then gently tilt your head side to side. So your shoulders are relaxed away from your ears and then simply tilting your head towards your shoulder. So your ear moving down towards the right and then towards the left shoulder. A few times. Gentle repetitions. Great. Let's do one more. Each side on the right and the left. And then again hold on that right side. Relaxing both shoulders away, keeping your back nice and upright, and extend your left arm slightly away from your upper body. Feeling a nice stretch. Make sure there is no tingling, no funny feeling in your arm. You might be overstretching. And then moving back to the middle. Relax your arm, tilt your head towards the left side. Hold that length. Gently nod your chin, so keeping that plane. Extending your right arm. Take a few deep breaths. Relaxing your shoulders, opening out the chest and the upper part. And then move back to the middle. Relax your shoulders, backwards and downwards. Now tilt your head again towards the right side. And then gently turn your head downwards. Look down towards your right knee. Keeping your left arm extended. You feel stretch a little bit further at the back. Few more deep breaths in this position. Move back to the center and then tilt towards the other side. So left, extending your right arm and then turning your head down so you glance down towards your left knee. Holding that position for a few deep breaths. Deep inhalation and long exhalation. One more. Move back to the middle and relax your shoulders again. Few little circles to relax your back. Just move a little bit around, see what feels good, what's more comfortable for you. So reach slightly forward with your hands, or you can keep your hands on your knees, and then tilt your head down, chin on chest, rounding your upper back, and then reach forward with the crown of your head, opening up your chest and extending your back, leaning back to the center. Rolling down again, reaching forward, lengthen through the crown of your head, and then lean back to the upright position. Roll, reach and extend, and then move back to the center. Let's do one more of that. Imagine like a dolphin surfacing, and then move back to the middle. Brilliant. Extend both arms side to side. Lift your right arm over your head. Just feel the weight of your arms sitting in your shoulder joint, and then reach over your head as far as you feel comfortable with. Taking a deep inhalation, and then as you exhale, move back to the center. Shoulders backwards and downwards, lifting your left, reaching over your head. Hold for a deep inhalation, just feel that nice stretch on your side. Try to glue your left hip down to your chair or to your mat, and relax. A few more of that. Shoulders backwards and downwards. Reach over, lengthen. And relax. And on the other side, reaching as far as you feel comfortable with. Relaxing your shoulder away from your ear. Try to bend your back slightly sideways. Imagine you as a tree, in, bending side to side. One more on the left, reaching over, lengthening, and then relaxing all the way back. Shoulders backwards and downwards. Keep that length of your spine. Reach all the way up with both hands and place your hands in front of your chest. Hold that upright position. Gently twist your chest towards the right side. Take a deep inhalation and slowly move back to the center. Lengthen as you inhale. Exhale, turn towards the left. Inhale, hold. Exhale, move back to the middle. Few more of that. You can carry on with this simple movement, or you can extend a little bit forward and backwards, reaching with your palms away from each other. Move back to the middle. Same on the left side, extending, reaching away, keeping the length of your spine, and then moving back to the center. Let's twist one more time. Extend and relax your arms forward and backwards, and then try to twist a little bit further. Look over your right shoulder, twisting your whole spine, opening up your chest towards the right, and then moving back to the middle, reaching up. And same on the other side, hands in front of your chest, twist, opening up, forward and backwards, and relax your fingertips down, front and back. And try to twist a little bit further, just to ease the tension. And then slowly move back to the middle, lifting your arms up. Pop your hands behind your head, shrug your shoulders, relax down, reach all the way up and down. A few more of this. Lift and relax. Little shoulder shrug, lowering all the way down, reaching up and relaxing down. Last one. Up, relax, reaching and relaxing. So brilliant. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you feel much more relaxed, perhaps a little bit more mobile as well. Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you feel it would be beneficial for others too, please like and share this video and consider subscribing for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.